trying out brand new drinks with brand new faces, but I'm tired of staying up late. I can't overstate the beauty of settling down with the one you love.
Hi everyone, good morning. We're here sa may Milford and Sea. I don't know kung maririnig nyo ako kasi sobrang lakas ng hangin, but it's really a nice time to walk around the sea kasi medyo ang ganda ng araw, guys, kasi nga look at that, sobrang maaraw. Ang ganda lang, guys, so I just want to have a look on dito sa Milford and Sea kasi it's my first time going dito sa may seaside kasi usually meron kaming client who was living here sa Milford on Sea, pero I haven't been been in this area, so it's my first time. So yeah, let's see kung ano makikita natin dito. It's my off today, guys, so nagpunta lang ako dito sa Milford on Sea para lang mag-walking and also mamasyal na rin kasi it's my first time here. Sobrang nice ng place. Hindi ko alam na ganito pala ang Milford on Sea. Kung i-compare mo siya with Barton on Sea, parang mas marami kang magagawa dito. Mas malawak yung malalakaran mo. So if you are into walking or running or cycling, then I think that this is a better place compared with Barton on Sea. So lapit tayo dito sa may lake, guys. Ito na yung may lake. Ayan. So, medyo malaki-laki siya and madaming mga ibon din. So, para siyang yun din sa Ballard Lake. Pero, mas malaki siya and wala siyang mga puno. So, ganyan. Sobrang lakas lang ng hangin ngayon. Even yesterday, sobrang lakas ng hangin. Pero magandang maglakad-lakad, guys. Super nakaka-relax kapag nag-walking.
We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my hand, cause I've never been more comfortable than in your arms, vulnerable or nothing. We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my hand while we'd be doing nothing. Thought I'd scare you off by being a homebody, hanging with nobody, but the joke's on me.
Okay, so nandito tayo ngayon sa malapit lang din sa dagat. So parang shore na to yung kinalalagyan natin. Sobrang ganda lang, very relaxing. May magpa-parasailing, guys. Nakakatuwa naman siya. Let's see, guys, kung anong gagawin niya. Nagsaset na siya ng equipments niya. Parasailing ba tawag doon or paragliding? I think it's paragliding. Okay, so bumaba lang tayo dito sa gilid para makita tong area na to. Maraming nag-picture dito sa side na to. Siguro, parang ang ganda kasi ng spot, guys. Makikita nyo na yung Isle of Wight. Ito yung Isle of Wight. So, parang konting-konti na lang nandun na tayo sa Isle of Wight. Tapos, yeah, sobrang peaceful. Very calm ang dagat ngayon, actually. Hi guys, so it's our mini off today and dumaan lang ako dito sa my retail center dito malapit sa Christchurch lang din. So daan muna tayo ng Matalan and also ng TK Maxx kasi meron tayong i-check sa TK Maxx. So yeah, Matalan muna tayo. We're here na sa TK Maxx and ikot lang ako dito kasi may hinahanap tayo na skincare. So we're back dito sa may Ballard Lake kasi ito lang yung alam ko na malapit dito sa neighborhood na pwede tayo maupo and magbasa ng book. So hanap na lang tayo ng upuan, guys. Kahanap na ako ng perfect spot para makapagbasa tayo at least ilang chapters lang. Anyway, maaga pa naman. I think current time is 5 o'clock ng hapon and maaraw pa talaga. Usually ngayon na pa summertime na 8 o'clock as in ang araw pa talaga. So ayan guys, but I'm happy kasi makakapagbasa tayo dito. Very peaceful, very quiet na, medyo wala ng tao. Meron na lang pa ilan-ilan na nag-dog walk. Tapos yung iba talagang alam pa yung namamasyal lang. So yeah, basa muna tayo.
I fell so hard when I said I wasn't falling. Had my walls up, couldn't let you get inside. But my safety net's gone and now I'm all in. And I'm scared that one day you might change your mind.
Ako ng at least 2 chapters. Ang dami kasing mga pollen na nahuhulog ngayon sa mga trees. Kaya medyo ingat tayo dyan kasi baka mamaya maubo tayo or kung ano pa yung maging cause yan. Usually yun yung nagiging cause ng hay fever. Kaya uwi na tayo. And masaya ako kasi nakapag-relax tayo ngayong araw na to.
Left alone again. This is always how it ends.